All right, welcome back. We got a very exciting episode for you today. So this is a hose reel, and as you can see, it's been beaten up by the sun. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna wash this car rim from an Acura TL, I believe, that's not being used, and turn it into a hose reel. So what we're going to do is remove the old one first and make room for the new one. Alright, so we have some screws inserted from before, and if we rest it on this screw right here, create a new one over here, it will give it a place to rest, and we just need to secure the top so it doesn't kind of pull out of the wall. It's too big. You have to find a different washer. Or maybe double it up. Got one of these big washers. This ought to do. Oh, there it is. 3-point of contact. I initially wanted to flip it over so we could use the interior space to hold things, but yeah, maybe another time.